If you have less than 1,000 watch hours, or if you're struggling to get your channel monetized and you want to get your channel monetized as soon as possible, like ASAP, then this particular video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be exposing a new trick. In fact, I had to think about it. I just hope YouTube will not find me after making this video, because I'm scared though. Maybe after 24 hours, I'm going to take down this video. I don't know, depending on how we go, because I am so scared of actually exposing this trick. I've used this particular trick to actually get one of my channel monetized. I'm going to be leaving the link here, the link to the channel that I actually used it to work on that got monetized. Like the video, the channel rather. I'm going to be putting it right here for you guys to actually see. It worked. I tried it there and it worked. So I have this method in my mind already, but I decided not to share it or talk about it because I've been scared that what if YouTube take down my channel? What if I get penalized for showing you guys this trick? But then I thought about it. I said, okay, a lot of people have been reaching out to me. Please help me to monetize my channel. Please do this. And I was like, okay, I can't help everybody at once. I said, okay, let me just show you guys a trick different from the one you guys have been seeing online. Let me show you guys, and that's what I'm actually going to do in this video. So if you are among the first early birds to see this video within the first 24 hours, then you guys are like the lucky ones, because I might be taking it down. I am so scared of losing this my channel, and I don't want to harm my channel. Yes, so now let's go into the process. Let's see how it's done. Make sure you watch step by step to understand, please, so that you will not be asking me some questions that are already answered in the video. So watch the video, try the process, try it. In fact, let us go on so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Let's go. So for requirement, you need stable internet connection, you need PC, you need 5 video different lengths between 3 to 15 minutes. Yeah, so that's all you need to get started. So you head over to Google Chrome and then you search for Chrome profile generator, just like I'm doing. You guys should just follow the step by step in this video. So once it pops out, you just click and download anyone you see. Okay, I'm actually downloading this first one. You can see this is what the interface look like. If you scroll down here, click on download now. Yeah, so you can see that's it already downloaded. Click on it and then don't do any other thing aside from just changing the number to 50, because we need 50 browsers. Yeah, so that's just all you need. After that, click on it. Yeah, it's going to give you 50 Chrome. As you can see, we have 50 Chrome browsers already generated at once on our system, on our PC. Yeah. So you need to know that for these 50 browsers, when you stream for 10 hours, you're actually going to be getting 500 hours. Like if you stream 10 hours on each browser, that's 500 hours. And you wait for 10 hours, like after streaming the first video, after 10 hours, you do it again, and then you get another 500 watch hours. So that means in 24 hours, guys, you are going to be getting 1,000 watch hours, which is when you do it twice. You know, we have 24 hours in a day. So 500 plus 500, you understand? In 4 days, guys, you're actually going to be getting your 4,000 watch hours needed for monetization. Do you guys see how simple it is? Head over back to your Chrome. Use the guest mode to actually log into your YouTube channel. Yes. Head over to YouTube, copy your link. Yeah, I'm going to be skipping some parts so that this video will not be too long. So just go to your YouTube, copy your link, and once you have copied your link, head over to this particular part here and just paste it. As you can see, this is actually showing for Chrome 001. I'm actually going to be doing for the first 5 browsers, not the all 50 browsers, just to save time. So this is just a sample, but you guys can actually go ahead to do for the 50 browsers, you understand? So I'm just doing for the first 5 just to save us time. So I'm actually going to copy and paste. You guys to see that I have the same video link 5 times, but then I will now change the name of the Chrome. You know, each Chrome has number, so I'll now change it. You know, the first one 001, I'll now change it to 002, 003. I'm trying to do this so I can actually open it at once. You can go ahead and be opening it one by one if you want, but I'm doing this method so I can actually open the Chrome at once. With one click, it will open the 5 browser. So you guys can actually do everything together so that with one click you can open the 50 browser rather than doing it individually. You can see me changing it right now. So that's 004. Yeah, so the next one now be 005. That is 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, I'm actually going to save this. Yeah, I'm going to be saving it to my desktop. Yeah, just follow this whole process. So what I actually did is videolink.bat. So you can actually open the Chrome browser at once. You know, I said that earlier. Click on save. So that has been saved. I'll now
close that. You can see it video link. Yeah, you guys can see it already that I just saved. Then I'll now refresh. You guys can actually see. Yeah, I just opened it, and upon opening it, it has already opened the Chrome browser 5 times. You can see the video is actually playing 5 times. 5 times. So all you just need to do, mute it so that the sound will not be disturbing. Yeah, the autoplay, you off it, you go to settings, and then you put the quality to, like, you have to reduce the quality so it will not be affecting your internet. You understand? Yeah, so I think this is a bit low. Yeah, so once that is done, the playback speed, because we want it to actually generate more watch hour, we're going to be using 0.25. Yeah, so it's going to be playing slowly, you understand? Then you now loop. Yeah, so that once it's done playing, it will keep playing, like, just stay like that. Do same for all browsers and minimize it. You know, I just did it for the first 5. So you just do this method for all browsers and minimize it. If you follow this method, guys, remember, keep playing videos for 10 hours. 10 hours. Guys, do not exceed 10 hours. If you exceed 10 hours, it will not be counted. So, and also you need to know that you have to do proper SEO of channel and video. It is very important. You can use your video, your direct video link, your channel link, your playlist link, search manually, whichever one. After 10 hours, you repeat the process. Do you guys understand? So after 10 hours of doing this, you actually repeat the process.
So guys, after seeing this whole method, if you know you are not in haste, if you know, oh, you want to do it the slow method, it's fine. Then don't do it. But if you know you want to get your channel monetized very, very fast, then do this method. In case if you're just finding my channel for the first time and you find value or you learn something new, please do what to hit on the subscribe button so that whenever I post any valuable content like this to grow your channel, you actually be among the first set of people to actually get to see this video. So please do what to hit on the subscribe button. And if you're an OG, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you guys. I see you guys. And for those of you reaching out to me, don't worry, I'm actually going to attend to everyone. It's just that my DM is actually very, very full, so attending to everyone is actually taking a lot of time. So in case if you are watching me right now, I see your messages and I'm actually going to respond to each and every message. Just give me some time to respond to each and every one of them. Thank you so much. I see your mails too. Yeah, please do what to hit on the like button, do what to leave your comments, whatever you think, whatever your thoughts are. Like I said, in the next 24 hours I might just take this video down. It depends because I'm scared. All right, see you again in our next video. Bye guys.